Hello, it's April 13th and it's in the afternoon. It's been raining all day today, and now that it's stopped, it's a great time to head outside and look for animals that like wet weather. I have 3 of them for you today. I have snails, a slug, and a salamander. Snails and slugs are invertebrates, animals that do not have backbones, while the salamander is a vertebrate. I'm going to start with the snails. This snail is called a grove snail, and it's native to Europe. Grove snails eat mostly dead plants, and birds eat them. And they're notable for the wide variety of colors that their shells have. In my yard, we have lots and lots of them, and they are found all over in areas where there's wet wood or other damp things. Since they eat dead plants, they are not a problem for gardeners. This next animal, however, is in a group of animals that gardeners don't like, and that is the slugs. These slugs are called leopard slugs, and you'll see why. They're native to Europe, just like the snails, and they eat algae off of wet stones, but they also eat the tender leaves of young plants. And, amazingly, they're predators, and they can eat other slugs as well as eating plants. So I guess they do have a good side. Both of those animals are invertebrates, one more time, which means that they don't have backbones. This last animal, however, which is native to North America, does have a backbone. It's an amphibian, and this salamander is called the red-backed salamander. It's native to eastern North America and lives all the way from North Carolina to Quebec and Minnesota. It has 2 different color kinds, even though it's all the same species. The red-backed, which has red stripes along the back, and the lead-backed, which is all black and sometimes has some spots. They're quite common, and here in the yard I find them every year, even though we're here in Cobble Hill, Brooklyn. They're cute and small, and they breathe through their skins, so they have to be moist at all times in order to actually breathe. That's why it's easiest to find them after a rain like this. They're much less common on a hot summer day. Looks like he's ready to take off. Well, it was well worth coming out into the garden after a rain, wasn't it?